Millions of people around the world use covers for their vehicles, in the summer or maybe during monsoon season. But did you know how these covers get made in the factory? Well, let's take a look. The process begins with placing the roll of raw material on the table. Then the master pattern is placed and marked onto the raw material. After that, according to dimensions, the material is cut with the cutting machine. After that, the logo of the company is printed on the cover. At this stage, the logo is checked and verified by experts. Then, the covers are stitched with single, double and bottom double needle stitching methods. At this stage, the cover belt and buckle is attached and stitched to the cover. On another side of the factory, a luggage net is made with stitching. After final stitching, covers are inspected by experts for quality. Finally, the covers are ready and are packed and stored in the warehouse. In the end, the covers are vacuum packed for export.